Okay, so number 4 from the annuities assignment tends to be a bit of a problem child. So let's read it carefully. You want to be able to withdraw $50,000 from your account each year for 15 years after you retire. So let's just write down what we know from this. And the time for that is 15 years. And the N is 1 because it's each year. You expect to retire in 20 years. Now that's a different thing, isn't it? You're not retired yet. So you expect to retire in 20 years. Let's look at that and keep it in our pockets for later. If your account earns 10% interest, first of all, tell me where that is happening, because that's pretty good interest. How much will you need to deposit each year? Deposit each year. So this is where we struggle with, do I need compound interest or the annuity? If you're making just one deposit, that would be compound interest. But if it's an annuity, then you're going to need, if it's deposit each year, a regular deposit, you're going to need the annuity formula. Okay? So you're going to deposit each year until retirement to achieve your retirement goals. So they're assuming that 10% interest regardless. So in this case, we have a regular deposit. We don't know what it is. They're saying we're going to deposit that each year. We said we're going to retire in 20 years. And our rate is a nice 10%. So the first thing we need to do is figure out how much we would need in our account to withdraw that $50,000 every year for 15 years. So it assumes the 10% rate is the same for both. So first of all, let's use our payout annuity. So how much do we need in our account? So this is our step 1. We don't know how much we need in our account. We want to withdraw $50,000. Oops. Let's see. Forgot my parentheses there. That could be bad. And my negative sign. Well, we're all falling apart here. So it's up to you. I like to simplify this before I put it in my calculator. For example, I know that 0.10 or 10 hundredths divided by 1 is just going to give me 10 hundredths. Negative 1 times 15 is negative 15. Same thing here. That's going to be 10 hundredths. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in my calculator. So I'm going to pause. You do the same. Okay, I got $380,303.98. So that's what we are going to need for our annuity for the final amount. Okay, and this time I need to figure out how much I need to deposit to make that happen. So since it's going to be, again, 0.10 divided by 1, I'm just going to put the 0.10. And then raised to, in this case, it's going to be 20 times 1, so I'll put 20. There's our minus 1. And then, again, 0.10 divided by 1 is 0.10. Okay, let's figure this out in our calculators real quickly. Okay, I got D is approximately $6,639.96. Good luck.